Hi guys, I'm Raffaele for Midland and today I will talk about BT Mini. First of all, download the software, upgrade the firmware of your BT Mini and download the new quick guide with the new functionality. So what can I do with BT Mini? I can connect my phone, pair with other 3 riders with every brand intercom, enjoy of the DSP noise cancelling feature, voice status, 500-meter distance, is a waterproof device, you have an outstanding quality of the music. Let's start to how to pair your phone to BT Mini. With your BT Mini off, no light flashing, just long press the control button up to get red and blue flashing light. You will hear in your speaker phone pairing. Now go to the Bluetooth setting of your phone, check BT Mini, new firmware version 1.31, click on it and the pairing is done. How to set the language of your BT Mini? With your BT Mini on, LED blue is flashing, press and hold volume plus button very long. First of all, the BT Mini will tell you pairing, but keep the volume plus hold and BT Mini will start to tell you the battery status in different language. When you hear your favorite language, just release this button. It's that simple. Now, how to reset the pairing of your BT Mini. According to the new firmware functionality, when your BT Mini is on, LED blue is flashing, hold the 3 buttons for about 3 seconds. You will get a blue steady light and all the pairing will be cleaned. This is how to upgrade the firmware of your BT Mini. Take the Type-C cable included in the BT Mini box, download from Midland Europe website the software upgrade, connect your BT Mini to your computer through the cable and just start the software. The operation will be automatically. Now, basic feature, how to pair 2 BT Mini. With the 2 BT Mini switched on, you can see blue light flashing. Just hold one of these 3 buttons. I will choose control button of both units and hold them up to get a red and blue flashing light. Just wait a couple of seconds and the 2 BT Mini will be paired. Now, an advanced feature, how to pair the BT Mini with another brand intercom. With BT Mini switched on, blue light is flashing, just hold one of the 3 buttons to start the intercom pairing procedure. Now I get red and blue flashing light. From the other brand, just follow the instruction to make phone pairing procedure. Now the other brand is trying to pair a phone. In the meantime, BT Mini is simulating to be a phone. Now that BT Mini finished the pairing, so now I will use the same button that I used to make the pairing procedure to one click open the audio to the other brand unit. Purple light is flashing, it means audio open, and the same button to close the audio. From the other brand unit, to open and close the audio to BT Mini, I will use the command of the voice dial. One click, it will open the audio. Purple light flashing, it means audio open. And another click to close the audio. I introduce you to a list of the main BT Mini command. Open and close the intercom. These 2 BT Mini are paired on the control button. One click on this button will open and close the intercom communication with the other BT Mini. Now purple light, the intercom is open. One click, the intercom is closed. Also from the other unit, you have to do the same things. One click, it will open the communication, and one click, it will close. Now, how to make a voice dial? So how to activate Google Assistant or Siri? With the same button, control button, instead to make one click, make a double click. This command will activate Google Assistant in my Android phone, and after hearing a sound, for example, you can tell, call me somebody, bring me somewhere, let me hear some music from this application. If I want to hear and command the music from my BT Mini, I have to use always the same button. Now, not one click, not double click, but long press, just 2 seconds. When I hear the second beep, I release the button. I will send the play command to the phone. When I'm listening to the music, by double click volume up, I will forward the song. By double click volume down, I will backward the song. Hold volume up, I will increase the volume. Hold volume down, I will decrease the volume. And with a long press of 2 seconds, I will pause the music. Now, how to activate the new music share feature. Just open the intercom to your passenger. Intercom is now open, purple light. Just ask to your passenger if he wants to listen some music from your phone. If your passenger say yes, just send a play command to your phone. In this way, and both will listen the same music at the same time. Hey guys, I hope you got the technical details of the BT Mini, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!